Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Kenmore He3 dryer heating element is probably one of the most essential components to keep your laundry routine running smoothly, ensuring your clothes come out perfectly dry every time. If your dryer is taking too long to dry clothes, or not heating up at all, a faulty heating element could be the culprit, and replacing it might be simpler and more cost-effective than you think. This video will guide you through understanding why this specific part is crucial for your Kenmore He3 dryer's performance and what to look for when it's time for a replacement. Number 5. Romalon 279838 Upgraded Dryer Heating Element. Experience enhanced longevity with our upgraded heating element. It's crafted from more corrosion-resistant and deformation-resistant stainless steel, ensuring it won't easily rust or warp over time. Safety is paramount. An added heat insulation layer on the outside reduces heat conduction to the dryer's body, providing a safer user experience. This is a complete 5-piece repair kit, including the upgraded heating element and essential accessories like thermostats and thermal fuses. It saves you the hassle of finding compatible parts. Designed to perfectly fit over 1,300 models across various brands like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and Amana. You can easily check if it's compatible with your specific dryer model. Rated at 5,400 watts and 240 volts, this replacement part features a heating wire that is 25% longer than common alternatives for improved performance. Made from durable, high-quality materials and rigorously tested to meet OEM standards. We offer 24-hour online support and a 1-year after-sales service for your peace of mind. What we like? This heating element features an upgraded stainless steel substrate for superior corrosion and deformation resistance, plus an added heat insulation layer for enhanced safety. If you prioritize long-term durability and a safer appliance, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for users who want a reliable part that minimizes the risk of rust or heat damage to their dryer. What people say. The heating element was a perfect fit for my Kenmore He3 dryer. It was easy to install and the dryer is now heating properly. The part arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed to get my dryer working again. Number 4. AMI Parts 279838 Dryer Heating Element. Introducing the AMI Parts 279838 Dryer Heating Element, designed to keep your laundry running smoothly. This essential part ensures your dryer performs at its best. This heating element is compatible with a wide range of popular dryer brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, and Maytag. If you're unsure about compatibility, our team is ready to assist you. It directly replaces multiple part numbers, including 3403585 and W10724237. The package also includes a thermal fuse and a thermostat kit for a complete repair. Crafted with high-quality nickel, this heating element offers superior durability and performance. It's designed to meet OEM manufacturing requirements for a reliable fix. Installation is straightforward, making it a great DIY project. We recommend wearing gloves and disconnecting power before you begin. Tools like needle nose pliers and a screwdriver will be helpful. We are confident in the quality of our product. Our professional support team is available to provide a satisfactory solution within 12 hours if you encounter any issues. What we like? Boasting a high nickel content for superior performance and a 2 to 5/16 male terminal, this heating element is designed for efficiency. If you're looking for a part that offers excellent heat conductivity and is built to meet original equipment manufacturer standards, this is a great option. It's suitable for DIY enthusiasts who want a quality replacement that performs like the original. What people say. The heating element works well and heats up quickly. It was easy to install and fit perfectly into my Kenmore dryer. The dryer is now heating like it did when it was new. Number 3. Upgraded DC 47-00019 A Dryer Heating Element. Is your dryer taking too long to dry clothes or not heating up properly? It might be time for a new heating element. This upgraded part is designed for optimal performance and durability. Our heating element features up to 95% nickel chromium content, offering excellent heat and abrasion resistance. The heating wire is also 25% longer, ensuring more even drying without damaging your clothes. This replacement part is compatible with a wide range of Samsung dryer models, as well as other brands like LG, Maytag, Kenmore, KitchenAid, and Roper. It's designed to meet OEM manufacturing standards. This package includes not only the DC47-00019A heating element but also essential components like a thermostat and thermal fuses. Everything you need for a full replacement is included. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, and our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any issues within 24 hours. What we like. This heating element utilizes high nickel chromium content and a 25% longer heating wire for more even heat distribution, preventing damage to clothes. If you're concerned about uneven drying or potential fabric damage from hot spots, this is the perfect solution. It's designed for users who want a gentler, more consistent drying experience for their laundry. What people say. The heating element works great and the dryer is now heating again. It was easy to install and fix the problem with my dryer not heating. The part arrived quickly and was exactly what I needed to get my dryer working again. Number 2. 279838 Upgraded Dryer Heating Element. Introducing our upgraded dryer heating element, designed for superior performance and durability. It features excellent heat and abrasion resistance for long-lasting use. The heating wire is longer than standard replacements, ensuring more even heat distribution. This means your clothes are dried efficiently without any damage. This part is compatible with a wide range of dryer models from popular brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, Kenmore, and Amana. Please check the compatibility list for your specific model. Your purchase includes the heating element along with essential accessories like thermal fuses and thermostats. Everything you need for a comprehensive replacement is in one package. We stand by the quality of our product with a 1-year warranty for any manufacturing defects. Our dedicated customer service team is ready to assist you with any issues within 24 hours. What we like. This option comes as a comprehensive repair kit, including the heating element, thermal fuses, and thermostats, all made from durable, high-quality materials. If you prefer a one-stop solution for your dryer repair and want the peace of mind of a full warranty, this is the ideal package. It's perfect for those who want to ensure all related components are replaced at once for a complete fix. What people say. The heating element works great and the dryer is heating up again. Easy to install and fixed my dryer quickly. The part was an exact match for my Kenmore dryer and works perfectly. Number 1. AMI Parts 279838 Dryer Heating Element Kit. Is your dryer taking too long to heat up or not drying clothes effectively? This replacement heating element kit is designed to restore your dryer's performance, ensuring your clothes are dry in no time. Crafted from a durable nickel chromium alloy, this part is built to last. It's designed to meet OEM manufacturing requirements, offering you a reliable and long-lasting solution for your dryer. This heating element is compatible with a wide range of Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and Roper dryer models. Check the description for a full list of compatible part numbers and models to ensure a perfect fit. This comprehensive kit includes the 279838 dryer heating element, along with essential accessories like a thermal fuse, high-limit thermostat, and jumper wires. Everything you need for a successful replacement is in one package. Featuring a superior spiral-tight design, this heating element heats up quickly and evenly. This not only improves drying efficiency but also helps reduce energy consumption for a more economical operation. Designed for straightforward installation, you can easily replace your old or faulty heating element with this new one. Get your dryer back to optimal working condition with minimal hassle. What we like. Featuring a unique spiral-tight design, this heating element is over 30% longer, leading to energy savings and quick, efficient heating. If you're looking to reduce your energy consumption while still getting fast drying times, this is the product for you. It's best suited for environmentally conscious users or those who frequently use their dryer and want to optimize performance and cost. What people say. The heating element works perfectly and the dryer is now heating up again. Easy to install and the dryer is working like new. The part was an exact fit for my Kenmore dryer and it heats up quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.